skies. On your face, see the northern lights. Nothing left